So guys, अब एक ही जगह बच गई थी. This is CP.
CP.
Connaught Place. This means like this is the center of Delhi.
Such a giant India flag.
Yeah, everything is giant here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. People with big hearts, big cars.
Right.
Yeah. Come on, Liz. So guys, now we are in heart of Delhi, which is CP. This is CP. Say
The
CP.
heart of Delhi, CP.
Connaught Place.
Yes.
Yeah.
The place with the giant India flag.
Place with giant India flag and giant parking charges.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah. You wanna have some tea or you wanna have some juice?
Juice.
Okay, then let's look for it, guys. भाई सेवा पानी करना हमारा फर्ज होता है, हमारा मेहमान है. ठीक है? Come, Liz.
Juice or water?
Water and food. Come.
Okay.
Be this side.
Okay.
Come.
Okay.
Wait. Come back.
Are you trying to kill me?
We should wait for the green light.
Okay. Samkot, I'm just gonna run. Because I can't wait anymore, it's taking so long. 10,000 hours later, we still haven't crossed the street. The sun is setting. We're getting hungry and thirsty. And the cars keep oh yeah, finally! Yes, sometimes you just have to complain. Sometimes that's all it takes. Sometimes you just complain once and then it works. Learn from the Germans.
भाई इतना जोश कहाँ से आता है इसमें? कहाँ से आ रहा है इतना जोश? कहाँ से आ रहा है इतना जोश? कहाँ से आ रहा है इतना जोश? Now act like a alcoholic. भैया कितने की थी यार?
Ah.
This is shakargandi.
What?
This is shakargandi in Hindi. What do you say in Germany?
Süßkartoffel.
Huh?
Süßkartoffel.
क्या
It means sweet potato.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's burning in the middle?
ये गोसा है भाई, गोसा. This is भैया क्या बीच में क्या जलाते हो? लकड़ी का wood.
Wood.
Yeah.
Oh, like wood pieces.
Wood pieces, small wood pieces.
Nice.
Yeah.
That looks really
And
good.
this is star fruit.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is भैया नाम क्या है आपका? मुकट सिंह.
Mukat Singh.
This is Mukat Singh and this is
Utkarsh.
huh?
Utkarsh.
And you are
Liz.
Liz Less TV.
Liz Lass.
Ta-da-da.
Thank you.
Scanner
Thank
दे दो.
you.
ऐसे करो ऐसे. ठीक है. सबसे प्यार से बात करो भाई. ठीक है. Liz, now we are having rajma chawal,
What is that?
rice and kidney beans.
Okay.
Okay. Exciting.
I've tried that before.
You tried this before,
I mean, not like this, but at home, yeah.
but this is the most famous in Delhi. You
Is it
get
with spices or just rice and kidney beans? That's it.
super spicy
Oh, with sauce and everything.
with everything.
Okay.
You'll be like, do
Oh.
like
okay.
this. See, do like this.
You always make me do this.
Do it one more time.
Yeah. Wait,
Do it fast. Do it
Okay.
fast. भाई सही है यार ये. इसके साथ में बोर नहीं होता व्लॉगिंग करता हुआ. वैसे मैं हो जाता हूँ कई बार यार, कितना व्लॉग करूँगा कितना करूँगा. With her it's like करते रहो. But I don't think so we can get it too soon.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
It's so crowded.
Oh, you have to wait.
Yeah.
Maybe 5
I don't
minutes.
want you to wait.
Ah, okay.
But
it's okay. It's
if you do this, I'll get it. एक और दे दो.
पांडे जी को बोल पापड़ नहीं, इस समय पापड़ नहीं है लंच के टाइम में.
Liz, hold it.
Thank you.
How does it look?
Maybe nachos.
Huh?
Nachos.
No,
Yeah.
it's rice and rajma. Come.
Ah,
यहाँ पे रख के खाने की जगह भी नहीं है. So we have to stand and eat. Come.
okay.
Let's sit there and eat.
Okay.
Where we were standing. Tell me what all is there.
Okay. Onion,
Onion,
nacho,
nachos. पापड़ को nachos. हाँ.
beans, baked
Huh?
beans,
Huh?
baked beans.
Baked beans, yeah.
Okay, rice, baked beans, nachos, and onion.
Smart.
It's wrong?
Absolutely correct. So let's review this, guys. मेरे को तो सबसे favorite लगता है. Review this. Taste and let me know how is it.
Okay, I just tried. So it's definitely not baked beans. It's like spicy beans. And this is also not nacho, huh? There's something else. What is it? Cracker.
Papad. We said papad.
Pepper. Okay.
Rating 10 out of. If you had to rate it, out of 10.
It's good. It's like a bit basic, but like nice.
Yeah.
It's something you can eat all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe, yeah, like 8 or 9 out of 10. It's good. And also what we had before, the sweet potato, I like that.
Yeah.
It's like fresh, healthy, basic food. I like that.
Guys, open your mouth. Ah. भाई दोनों चाट के खा रहे हैं beans. We are fighting for beans, guys.
Yeah, we're both fishing for the beans.
Nachos भरे हुए हैं इसमें बस.
I think that was the last bean. Oh no, there's one more bean.
Where's the bean? Liz, now I'm taking you to the most oldest temple of India, of Delhi. Oldest Hanuman temple.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you told me in the north people pray to Hanuman, right?
Yeah, in north people mostly pray to Krishna, Hanuman, Ram.
Okay.
Yeah. And in south also like Vishnu. So yeah.
And there's also a rapper that has the name Hanuman.
Yeah, Hanuman kind, yeah. There's a singer.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the temple.
No, it's ahead. Yeah, it's a temple. Yeah. How should we go? How
Is that the one you want to go to?
Yeah. From there.
Okay.
Liz, 1, 2.
Why you always make me run?
Come here.
Okay.
Come, fast. Wait. You have to follow me, otherwise somebody will
Well, what?
drive over you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come. In Germany, homeless people have a place to stay or they sleep like this?
Both.
Both?
Yeah, some people stay at the homeless shelter, some people sleep on the street.
Okay, so this is Hanuman temple, see?
Ah.
So guys, this is the most oldest temple, Hanuman temple in Delhi. So yeah. Liz Les
Oh,
knows.
so many flowers.
Huh?
So we get flowers before we go in the temple?
Yeah, come.
Yeah?
Yeah. So bhai, before getting into the temple, we'll have some tea. See flowers, come.
Yes. Chai.
Huh?
Yes.
Tell me the name of this flower.
I only know this one. This one is jasmine, rose, and this I don't know.
Sunflower.
Sunflower?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Mustard.
Mustard flower.
Mustard flower.
Ah.
Yeah. बस हाँ कुछ कह रहे हो फेमस हो जाओगे भैया Smile.
Cheers.
Hello.
Thank you. Oh, it's kadak chai? Kadak.
कड़क चाय.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
अदरक ये रखिए भैया. कितने हो गए? This is chai. This is bread pakoda.
It comes in these really cute clay cups. I had that once before.
Oh,
But in a clay cup, yeah.
taste and like, give me the review. बढ़िया बना रखी भाई.
I can't drink it, it's too hot, I have to wait. It's very, very, very sweet.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. One day you can drink sweet things.
Very sweet.
Okay भैया बाय. बाय तो कर
Okay.
दो, बाय तो कर दो.
Thank you. Bye.
चलो go.
Okay. Then have a bye.
हाँ?
Then have a bye. Thanks, bro.
Chai is nice. There's a saying, if you drink chai in this vicinity, you will never get poor in your life.
Why not?
Yeah, there's a thing. If you come here and drink chai, Hanumanji will give you so much wealth.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
You
we
will-
have to keep coming here to drink chai.
Yeah.
Chai karak
Chai,
karak
chai correct. You will hit 10 million subscribers soon if you keep coming here
To drink karak chai.
to drink karak chai. Dhanyawad bhai, dhanyawad bhai, dhanyawad bhan,
Then have a bye.
dhanyawad bhan.
Thank you for what?
Huh?
Thank you for what? How do I say thank you for what in Hindi?
धन्यवाद किस लिए?
Dhanavad kis liye?
धन्यवाद किस लिए?
Dhanavad kis liye?
Now say repeat after me. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे.
What?
भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे.
Bhut pisach nikane mein aaye.
महावीर जब नाम सुनावे.
Wahan mein sumnan shumave.
चाय पी के जाते दर्शन करने गाइस. ठीक है?
Empty.
You so fast. You throwed it away.
I don't want to get poor. So I downed it.
Really?
Because then I will get rich. You said if I drink this, I get rich. So I drank it like a shot.
You should drink it slow. If you drink it slow, your
know-
wealth will go slowly.
you know,
if you drink
normally-
it fast, your wealth will go fast.
Normally, in the past couple of weeks, I would drink shots of alcohol, but now I'm changing my lifestyle. I'm gonna stop
Cheers.
drinking so much
I'm so
alcohol.
happy for you.
I'm gonna drink chai, karak chai instead.
You want one more chai?
Karak chai.
You want one more chai?
No, I'm okay.
You okay?
Yes, I will have one after the temple.
Who are you? Why are you shooting me without my permission? Who are you?
Paparazzi.
तो गाइस अब इसके बाद मिलूंगा मैं आपसे दर्शन करने के बाद. बाय. So guys, Liz just went into one of the most famous Hanuman temples in Delhi.
Yeah,
So Liz, how was it?
I like it. It's interesting to see.
Yeah. ना नंदी जी से विश भी मांगी है भाई इसने.
Oh, you know, I like the vibe in temples. It's really,
Positive,
yeah.
right? Come, I'll take
Yeah,
it.
it's hard to describe, but yes. Also, when I was in Thailand, in the Buddhist temples, it's like similar vibe.
Yeah, you can't describe these feelings.
Yeah.
It's like really overwhelming and like really nice.
Yes.
I just took Liz to Hanuman temple. Now I am taking her to one of the most calm places in Delhi. If you ever been to, फ्री में छोड़ रहा हूँ चल ले भाई. हैं? बंगला साहिब तक है? अरे तो यार पैदल चल लेंगे हम, कोई नहीं भाई. तो भाई now I am taking her to Bangla Sahib, which is, you know, one of the most calm places in Delhi. So now we are going to Bangla Sahib.
What is that?
It is a Gurudwara, you know Gurudwara.
Gurudwara. Ah, yeah. Yes.
Tell me what it is.
It is a city close to Delhi. No?
Gurudwara is no. It's like we went to temple.
Yes.
It's a religious place for Hindus.
Okay.
Now we are going to Gurudwara. It's a religious place of Sikhs.
Of what?
Sikh who like guys who have turbans.
Ah, okay, okay.
Now you get it?
Oh yeah, someone explained to me that there is like the 5 things or the 7 things that the Punjabis do with the, like they cannot cut their hair.
Yeah, I
They
don't
have
know.
to wear
I just know one thing. They can't cut their hair. They have to wear turban.
Yeah.
Yeah. Many more things like I don't know much about.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, come. So I'm saying when you'll go there, you'll feel the calmness. Whatever you're thinking, I wanna go subscribers, I wanna be a millionaire, your mind will go still.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you'll love it. It's a nice place. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm curious.
Yeah.
No, thanks for showing me these places.
Yeah.
Ah!
भाई दोबारा बोलना कैसे आवाज निकाली थी ओरिजिनल आवाज है
Oh!
ऐसी बात कर सकते हो इस आवाज में नहीं मैं बोलूँ
नहीं, नहीं. Hello.
तो भाई अब चल रहे हैं जाते हैं थोड़ी देर शांति से बैठते हैं
Somehow, sometimes I forget to speak English and then I just say hello, like hello in German. I just hello, hello.
In German how you say Ola?
Hallo,
Hello.
hallo,
Hello only.
hallo. Oh, guten Tag,
Guten
guten
Tag.
Abend,
Guten Abend.
Mahlzeit, Moin, Moin,
Moin. Okay.
Moin. Like Moin is a very, very North German thing. You say Moin,
Moin.
Moin,
Moin.
Moin,
Moin.
Moin.
How can I be rude to someone in German? Like you are a bastard. How would I say this in German?
A bastard. Oh, du Hurensohn.
Huh?
Du Hurensohn.
To Hugensohn. Who
Yeah.
don't subscribe to Hugensohn?
Yes.
Hugensohn.
It means son of a bitch.
That's very harsh. Guys, sorry. तुम्हें गाली दे सकता हूँ
Yeah, but
आंटी
see,
को थोड़ी दूंगा
in German. Hey. See, in German it's different. Swearing is okay. Like on TV, it doesn't get beeped out. It's allowed.
Okay.
Yes.
In India also it's allowed.
Ah.
Yeah, but
I mean, don't do it because it's not nice. But it's not like in English where it's like super bad.
so guys, yeah, now we are reaching. Where are we going? I just told you.
We're going to the place of the Punjabis that wear the turban.
Yeah. They don't wear the turban there. It's their religious place.
Oh, okay.
Like-
what do you call it? What's the name?
Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
We go to temple.
But didn't you say the Gurudwara is also the name of the city close to Mumbai? Guraj.
Gujarat.
Yes, that one.
That's Gujarat.
Ah, yeah.
So yeah, we Hindus go to temples. They go to Gurudwaras. But there's no restriction. We can go anywhere.
Okay.
Even Sikhs goes to temple. We can go to Gurudwara.
Okay.
Yeah. So, this
So
is-
you're all like friends with each other.
yeah, we are chuddy buddies.
You're what?
Chuddy buddies.
What?
Chuddy buddies.
What's chitty bitty?
Like when we were wearing chuddies, shorts.
Oh, okay.
We are buddies from that time, yeah.
Oh, you used to play together on the playground, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a long relation. मैं क्या समझाऊँ इसे?
I just want to say, oh, you're so tall, but you were walking on there.
I wanna be this tall. My modeling career will be destroyed.
Yeah, because you don't fit in the frame anymore.
Yeah. You should have a boyfriend this tall. Who should talk to you like this?
Like a bird? Should I
But
date
this,
a
but
bird?
this, but this angle is really weird.
Yeah, is it weird?
Yeah.
Which angle is the best? Like this?
If guys, comment down below which angle is best for Liz.
Okay, wait. Angle 1,
Angle 1, 2,
angle 2,
3,
angle 3.
4, 5. कौन सा बढ़िया था? पहला लगा ना मुझे पता है और क्यों लगा. मुझे पता है तुम्हें क्यों लगा. I know guys why you like the first angle.
No, don't make these jokes. I know what you mean. You can't hide this from me. I'm too smart for you, okay?
I know they are thinking. That's why I'm saying. But yeah, I like the first one. I know guys why you like the first one. You know what is this? You know what is this? You know this?
Dubai Fields. That is for cricket.
Yeah, we are opening pickleball courts.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah,
And you'll come for the inauguration. You'll cut the ribbon.
you are opening it.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah. Me and my friend who will.
You're doing so many things. You do YouTube, you do real estate, you do pickleball. What else?
Many other things.
Modeling.
Modeling. But best thing I do is vlogging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vlogging is the best thing.
I'm telling you guys, when she comes now, I don't wanna let her go because नहीं भाई, thank you. नहीं. Because
What
see,
did he ask?
he was like shoe polish करने आपके like they.
Oh no.
Why I'm talking to Hindi.
It's okay.
So yeah, guys, I don't wanna let her go because she's so jolly. See, my face is like this. Then see her face. Always like this.
Hello.
People stare, but they don't talk. That's a thing in India. Oh,
Yeah, they're shy.
they're shy.
They're shy.
Guys are shy
Yeah.
here.
You know, some weird things happen to me. Sometimes I could see people are like talking, and you know, sometimes it's weird because I see people like giggling, talking, and looking at me and pointing and everything, and I'm like, okay, what's going on? And then later I see on Instagram people like they zoom into me in public, take photos or videos, and they tag me. But like, if you ever, okay, if that ever happens, can you please just go to me and ask? It's okay, you can ask.
Yeah.
But if it's like secretly out of the distance, it feels really weird. I don't know.
समझ रहे हो? Are you getting it, guys? It feels really weird. Come. This is a thing I have also noticed. Like in India, people watch, they don't approach you. If they'll find you cute, they'll just keep looking at you. बाल कितने हो रखे हैं?
Yes.
You have to wear this on your head. Pick one.
फोटो खींचना आएगा आपके साथ।
She wanna click a picture with you.
Okay, okay.
खींचिए भाई।
भाई देखो मैं पीछे ऐसे हो जाता हूँ.
हरियाणा।
Ariana. Okay. Okay.
बेटा है ये।
बस भाई, थैंक यू।
Okay, you're welcome. Okay.
Go. Wear it, wear it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I take the orange one.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
One pick.
Yeah, yeah, take your picture.
Okay.
आइए सर,
भाई
आइए।
अरे कोई नहीं कराओ कराओ कराओ.
Okay, you're welcome.
भाई करो फिर चार नान.
दिल्ली के।
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
अच्छा, ये बाहर के फॉरेन के।
हाँ ये बाहर के हैं. ये जर्मनी. हाँ.
बाय बाय।
Okay, you're welcome.
So guys, ऐसे करो पीछे से ऐसे करो.
Yes.
भाई पहले यहाँ पे जूते देने होते हैं. Then you can go inside. भाई भक्तन बना दूंगा इसे आज.
Some people wearing really nice outfits,
Yeah.
like the
This
traditional.
is it.
That is such a nice view.
हाँ.
It's such a nice view.
Right.
Yeah.
शांति तो है यार यहाँ पे. You feel the calmness here, right?
Yeah, really. It's very peaceful.
I think Liz, you're the only foreigner who have done so many things in a day. First
Yeah.
going to Sarojini Nagar, then going to Hanuman Mandir, then coming to Gurudwara. Yeah,
And in the end, even driving.
and driving it in the end. That's the scariest part, but let's see.
And I ate different street food.
Yeah,
Yes.
floor is really cold, guys.
Yeah. Very cold.
How am I looking in this?
I'm happy that you chose pink, and I chose
Orange. I don't discriminate in colors.
Yes. Let's make pink a color for everyone.
Pinky boy.
Yes.
I got my thumbnail. But guys, look how pretty it is looking. Look at the temple, not lace. Yeah. They were looking at you. So guys, this was a holy vlog.
Yes. It's nice. It's part of the culture, right?
Yeah. Some things make your soul active, you know.
Yeah.
This is good for your emotional and like mental health.
Yes.
Sometimes I get sad, then I come here and have food and chill here. So
Yeah?
then it's yeah,
Oh.
that's nice.
And then you feel better.
Then I feel better. This is halwa.
Halwa.
Yeah, taste it.
What is that again?
It's made of atta.
It's sweet.
Sweet. Nice, tasty. आ करो guys, आ करो.
Okay.
Proud of you.
Yeah.
So yeah guys, it was a amazing religious trip, I guess.
Yes, I really liked it. Wait, I can't see anything with the flash.
So yeah, her religion same hai. It's just like we believe in different gods, but like there's only one superpower if you think. So yeah, we pray Hanuman, some pray like Jesus. So but everybody is same. They are referring to a third power. So yeah, okay.
Yeah, I mean, people believe in things for the same reason, but what you believe is shaped by where you come from and where you grow up and who your family is. But actually, we have so many things in common.
Yeah.
So yeah,
And
I think religion shouldn't be competitive.
Yeah.
Who's the better religion? No.
And most of the things are like similar only. Help others, help poor. Don't get
Yeah.
arrogant. Don't build an ego. So yeah. And don't get like over the head. Sometimes people think we have money, we have followers, we are above these guys. No guys. Everyone is equal. Okay. Oh, sometimes I can give motivational talks, right?
Yes. You and your wise words. Are you gonna show me around here, or are we gonna go back?
Now we are getting into car, we are going back
Yeah.
because I'm a little tired. Are you?
Not yet, but after the 2-hour drive, maybe.
Yeah.
Because it's so far.
By
No, it's not far. It's just a lot of traffic.
2 घंटे जाना है गाइस, गुड़गांव जाना है वापस. तो जाते जाते ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी. Best of luck guys to me.
There are monkeys in the streets. There.
Oh,
These monkeys are Indian.
these are Indian monkeys.
Wow.
Hanuman Bhakt.
Are they friendly?
Yeah. Oh, भाई के चोट लगी हुई है. Come, Liz. You know, Hanumanji was a monkey. That's
Really?
why in front of Hanuman temple you'll always see monkeys. See,
So many.
in
Really?
front of every Hanuman temple you'll always see monkeys.
Wow.
Because people give bananas to them.
Ah.
Yeah. Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Bajrangbali.
Monkeys are so cute.
Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Bajrangbali ki Jai. See, I told you bananas.
Yeah. So they
Yeah.
get attracted by the bananas.
Yeah. Monkeys only love bananas. You know that, right? Yeah, they don't eat anything else.
No, that's not true. Because one time I got attacked by a monkey because I was taking like another fruit, a grenadina. And then the monkey
They have
attacked me.
everything, but they love bananas.
Yes, they love bananas.
Yeah.
And one time,
See, they are having lentils just like you.
one time in South Africa, my mom was eating ice cream, and then a monkey jumped from the tree down to her, grabbed her ice cream, and ran away with ice cream. Yeah.
Oh, bhai. See this market, guys. You want anything?
No, I'm okay.
यार हरियाणे तेरे यार हरियाणे ते सोवा पैर बारी 2 4 हरियाणे ते